Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic brand TV and it's giving you a 12 blink error code and you're wondering what this is and how to fix it. So, unfortunately Panasonic did something kind of annoying, which is they use the same code for different things for different models. So what could be going on with your TV is very model specific. There's a couple things that it can be. It could be the backlight on the television is malfunctioning. It could be that the speakers are malfunctioning. There could be a circuitry issue to the speakers. But then all of these have one thing in common, is that it could be the power board or the control board that it is malfunctioning, um, uh, and that's why you're getting this code. So the number one thing to do when you get this, before you do anything else, is to do a hard reset on your television. So you want to turn it off and then unplug it from the wall and leave it unplugged for a full minute. And then turn it back on and see if that doesn't fix it. If that doesn't, you're going to need to find the specific model of your television and find this. Then you'll be able to find the specific issue that you need to fix. However, depending on how much you paid for your TV, you should either contact the manufacturer regarding any warranty, or potentially just get a new TV. Because when you start getting into wiring issues and stuff like that, it can very quickly become easier to just get a new television. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out at least what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.